Welcome back. In this evening's Ray of Hope, we look at students making profit following a Social Development Commission Youth Entrepreneur Competition. Kimberly Petty tells us more.
Ray of Hope.
When Kathaleya Dixon decided to start a business with her schoolmate Racene Small, she didn't expect to cop the top prize for the Youth Entrepreneur Program competition. She walked away with $90,000 and an experience of a lifetime. The Rusea High student said prior to the competition, she had minimal knowledge in business as she's a science student. But with belief in herself, she and Small created RK Sweet Treats where they served cakes in a cup.
When we started the business, schoolwork, it started to pile. It's because we had the business, so we had to sell during lunchtime, and then sometimes we have to go into a little bit of the class time in the lunchtime. But we made it work, and we're doing well in school, and as you can see, we did well in the business. So
the 12-week competition challenged high school students in Hanover to transform business ideas into micro-enterprises. Participants received $10,000 in seed funding. Students were also equipped with training in financial literacy, financial management, and developing business plans. Dixon and Small told TVJ News that they're considering expanding their business.
Well, some of the experience that I gained is some knowledge because I am not a business student, I do science. So when I came into it, I didn't know anything about business, even though in grade 8 I did well in business basic, but I wasn't that advanced. So in this business now, I learned different ways how to satisfy the customers and to make profits.
Merlin Otti High School's Nazari Turner copped the third place prize for her snack wheel business, while Kendra Dinham of Rusea walked away with the second place prize for her business, Crumbs and Get It.
I came today and I asked my teacher, Miss, you know, if I know we knock me a ball, because I love ball. So it feels so nice knowing that all my hard work I put in wasn't for a reason, you know, because everybody come here, everybody is a winner. As I'm saying, everybody won because we come here with ideas and we are leave with experience, and that's something that no one can take away from us.
Dinham said it wasn't easy balancing school with her business, but she pulled through.
They invested $10,000 in our business ideas, and I flipped that $10,000 to $152,000.
And it's for success stories like this why Executive Director of the Social Development Commission, SDC, Omar Frith, is looking to expand the competition to other parishes in partnership with Infinity Cooperative Credit Union.
We're extremely proud of Team Hanover for this very enterprising initiative, the Youth Entrepreneurship Program. What makes this exceptionally special, we're looking at youth in high schools, most of whom are in third form, grade 9ers, and they would have gone through a series of entrepreneurial competitions, developing their own businesses, receiving mentorship, and of course being judged on the businesses they create, and eventually receiving awards for the quality of the businesses that they would have done.
For your Ray of Hope, I'm Kimberly Petty.
Ray of Hope.
Time now for responses to our feedback question, and we have been asking, what are your predictions for the semi-final matches in the 2026 FIFA World Cup? And our first comment comes from Audley, who says, defending champion Argentina are peaking at the right time, and France's raw pace on the counter-attack will be lethal. Watch out for an Argentina-France final. Javi says, Spain 3, France 2, England and Argentina finishing 2-2 after both regular and extra time, leading to a penalty shootout. I have Argentina winning on penalties. Jacqueline says, I'm moving with the crowd. Find a team, Jacqueline. Again, we're asking, what are your predictions for the semi-final matches in the 2026 FIFA World Cup? You can keep those comments coming. Facebook.com/Television Jamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center. Now, the business day and news from overseas are after the break, so please stay with us.